Okay, priority number one, go for a swim. That water is incredible. Holy smokes. Smile to you. You gotta love these boats, hey? This design, it's narrow, it's colorful, it works really, really well when you want to go fast. I find the more you get southwest here in Mindanao, the more you see these kind of boats. It's very, I guess I could say like, you know, Taos like, oh, Slovakia. Woo! And we got a mask. All right, let's go see what we can find. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Holy smokes. Ano mo pangalan, kuya?
Ha?
Ano mo pangalan? Ben. Ben? Asa ka puyo?
Sa Talusan?
This is Kuya Ben from Talusan. Okay, look. Okay. Fights? Okay. Thank you, Kuya Ben. Picture? Sige. Taking a photo. Kuya Ben. Oh, sorry, sorry. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Salamat, Kuya Ben. I'm gonna go swim with the fish again. Thank you. Woo! Tausug? Are you Tausug? Kuya Ben. Tausug ka? Tausug? Cool. Ayos. Salam alaikum. He's a Tausug. And right in front of me, I think, is a giant... Holy smokes. That is the sardines. I've never seen anything like that. They're just hanging out there the whole day, these fish. I asked the locals, they said fish like this just hang out all the time. This is a common thing. So chances are if you come here, you'll be able to swim with these gomo fish? Gomo, go something. I see it.
Did you hear a stone fall?
Yeah.
That was a lizard from the coconut.
There's a lizard there. JunJun, explain what just happened.
A lizard just fell from the top of the tree and almost landed on my head.
This lizard?
The flying lizard.
There it is. In his element. JunJun, you used to be a boxer, right? Actually.
Maybe a little bit.
How many fights in the Philippines?
Let's not talk about how many fights I've had.
Guys, boxing? Yeah. Oh, pwede ang Brad. Oh, you're gonna no, dili ka. You see JunJun? Pwede maggamit ang gloves? Oh. Sure. This is your time, bro. I've been waiting for this. Okay. Oh, baho man. Baho. Alright, so, fact, JunJun is a boxer. This guy over here.
I'm not. He's lying. He's lying.
I am a lover. I'm not a boxer. That's good. You're gonna knock me out. Okay? I've been stuck all day.
Wow, that's a nice move! Nice move!
I'm scared. We can't do it. No violence.
Cowboy.
No violence. We tried. That was low end. No, that was bad. No? Bad. Yeah. Not good. A for effort. Okay. Okay, run to.
Okay.
That was horrible. Hadlock mag actually punch. In Bisaya, sumbag.
Yes.
Sumbag. In Tagalog, it's
Suntok.
suntok. In Tausug, it's
Suntok din.
suntok din. Thank you. Can you take a photo of us on the boat over there?
Sure.
Sweet. All right. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Sorry, that was the lamest boxing match. Thanks, JunJun, for not actually trying. that was lame. So as you walk around the island, you'll see little rocky coves, very beautiful. Of course, there's a little bit of garbage in the island, in the middle of it, and that's something that can be managed though, if people just pack in what you pack out, and if they just get a system in place. But for the most part around, for the most part, this whole island here on the outside too, it's very beautiful and picturesque. White sand, clear water, friendly people. Hello, take care, anting. Asagato, atababali. Labaray? Take care, anting. Like, look at this part, this is so beautiful. Bye-bye. Bye, anting. Happy New Year! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Ah! The attack of the kid! Pandilusan! Ah! Ayos. Abi. Ayaw. Woo! Init. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's ride the booty back to the sandbar. That's the Tausug name of this boat. JunJun, they named this island after you.
No, I think it's named after you, man.
Puting Balas. I'm Sunog Balas.
Puting Kulas.
Oh my god. Cool, man.
How fast these crabs are.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there's crabs everywhere. It's crazy. It's a big sandbar, man. It's a good size. Looking back, you can see the island where we came from. Pandilusan Island, Puting Balas. Yeah, Payao's got some beautiful spots. Wow. Well, I really hope that these places continue to get better vibes and that more local Filipinos come visit them, so it inspires the locals as well to, invest in their tourism and grow, these places in a peaceful and progressive way, because that's what fights back against the negative things. So standing here right now in Puting Balas, looking back at Pandilusan Island, it's just been a beautiful day. Really enjoyed it, and I hope that you know, in the future a lot more people like myself can come here and just explore and have fun. You can if you come and contact the tourism office and let the P&P know. And if you're local, you can just come and, you know, hang out and check out the island. We just met people on the island too from Kegi and Dioro, so. Sandbar's out. Sunburn is out. Successful day. See ya back on the road somewhere.